We're here at the federal courthouse in Alexandria, Virginia, where former FBI Director James Comey just made his first court appearance, where he was here for his arraignment. Comey pleaded not guilty to his 2 charges of false statements to Congress and obstruction. He denies wrongdoing and signaled to the judge today that he'll be bringing claims that he's being vindictively prosecuted.
After spending years as an investigator and prosecutor, James Comey found himself on the defense side of the courtroom Wednesday. Comey faces felony charges of false statements to Congress and obstruction. The 2-count indictment stems from 2020 testimony he gave to the Senate Judiciary Committee, in which Comey reaffirmed that he had not authorized a leak about the Trump-Russia probe or the Bureau's investigation into Hillary Clinton. Wearing a blue suit and red tie, Comey chatted with his lawyers as he waited for the judge, fidgeting at times with his hands clasped under his chin. When U.S. Attorney Lindsay Halligan and prosecutors entered the room, Comey's lawyers got up to greet them. But the former FBI director, he did not, remaining seated and looking straight ahead. The proceeding lasted only about a half hour, and it followed the routine steps that every criminal defendant goes through at their arraignment. Comey himself only spoke few words during the proceeding, with his lawyer being the one to enter the not guilty plea. But the judge did at times address Comey directly. When asked if he understood his constitutional rights, Comey walked from the defense table to the podium at the middle of the room and told the judge, quote, "I do, Your Honor. Thank you very much." Comey's family attended the proceeding too, including his daughter Maureen, who was recently fired as a federal prosecutor in New York. Comey's son-in-law, Troy Edwards Jr., also attended. After the indictment, he had resigned from his position as a prosecutor in Virginia. With the arraignment now over, Comey's case is moving ahead. His lawyers are due to file their pretrial motions in the coming weeks. They've signaled that they will argue the indictment is a vindictive prosecution and that Lindsay Halligan, the U.S. attorney leading the case, was unlawfully appointed. Comey's next court appearance is set for November 19th, when U.S. District Judge Michael Nachmanoff will hear oral arguments on the first batch of motions. Nachmanoff was appointed to the Eastern District of Virginia by former President Biden back in 2021. Comey's indictment marks one of the judge's highest-profile cases to date.
The case is moving quickly. The federal judge here has already set a trial date for January 5th.